The award-winning ActivPanel creates a captivating, tablet-like experience at the front of the classroom and puts the digital world at your fingertips. The intuitive, tablet-like interface allows you to focus on teaching instead of the technology. Designed with in-glass technology, the ActivPanel provides a naturally smooth writing experience with no script lag or response delays. The instant whiteboard makes interacting easy by providing free-form writing, palm erase, pinch zoom interactivity, and more. The intelligent in-glass technology automatically detects differences between pen, touch, and erase, so teachers and students can collaborate simultaneously. Interact dynamically by accessing educational apps, mirroring content, and connecting Bluetooth devices to expand learning experiences. ActivPanel comes with Promethean's educational software designed by teachers for teachers. Choose from your favorite software to deliver engaging lessons and activities. The Ultra 4K and HD tablet-like displays feature a dynamic light adjuster that provides the best lighting when interacting and viewing. The accessible design enables schools to upgrade their Android module over time to keep pace with computing technology. And lastly, ActivPanel is easy to maintain and compatible with third-party device management software to streamline software updates and more. Go beyond your existing classroom technology limits with ActivPanel, the ultimate classroom display experience.